Hi, superstars. It is time for science. We are on Module Forces and Motion, Lesson 3, Direction and Force. Open up your Be a Scientist notebook to page 26. Make sure you put your name and date at the top of the paper. All right, let's look at page 26. There are 3 friends and they're playing with a toy train. Now the train is moving in a straight line. The 3 friends playing with the train have different ideas about how they can change the direction in which the train is moving. So we are talking about changing direction. The question is, how can you change direction of the train? And who do you agree with? So we're going to figure out which friend has the better idea. Now, the first friend, which is Billy, and Billy is right here, he says you can change the direction of the train by giving it a push. Henry says you can change the direction of the train by giving it a pull. See how he's pulling it right here? He's pulling it. Amy says you can change the direction of the train by giving it a push or a pull. So I want you to choose the friend that you think has the best idea about how the train will change direction. Who do you think has the better idea? Is it Billy? Is it Amy or is it Henry? Billy says you push the train and that'll change directions. Amy says you push or pull and that'll change the train's direction. And Henry says no, you pull the train to change the direction. So which friend do you think has the best idea? Remember, every movement is a result of a force on an object. So a push or a pull is a force. So who do you think has the best idea? Okay, I'm going to tell you who has the best idea. And it's okay if you didn't pick this person because all of them had good ideas. Amy had the best idea. She said, give it a push or a pull. Pushes or pulls change the direction of a moving object. For example, a push or a pull applied in the opposite direction of a moving object will move the object in the opposite direction. So Amy had the best idea. Let's watch this video. It's a baseball player and he's going to hit the ball. I want you to think about what you see. So what do you think made the baseball change the direction it was moving? It was a force. The bat pushed the ball with a force, so it pushed it, and a push, remember, is a force, and that caused the ball to change direction. Let's turn to page 27 of our Be a Scientist notebook. And this right here is CJ, and he wants to be a statistician when he grows up. A statistician is interested in collecting data and analyzing it to answer questions. Let's read what CJ is saying right here. Get my pen. Let's see what he's saying right here. He says, I want to learn how to change the way an object moves. So how can you change the direction of an object? Well, you can give a push or a pull to an object to make it change direction. Remember, a push will move it away from you, and a pull will move it towards you. So why would a statistician be interested in how objects change direction? Well, a statistician would be he'd be interested in measuring how much an object changed direction or the object's speed. So the measurements could be analyzed to improve a design. Let's watch a video about CJ.
I'm CJ, and I love sports. I also love math. You can see a lot of numbers when you watch sports. A sports statistician uses the numbers to know more about the players and how or when they might score. And my team just won! I knew it!
All right, let's go back to page 27 and let's answer this question. So we watched the video. Now we watched a video about the baseball. We did watch a video about CJ also, but let's focus on how the baseball moved. So our essential question here is, how can pushes and pulls change an object's direction? So what you're going to do is tell me how a push can change an object's direction. So if you push something, what are you doing? You are applying a force, right? You're pushing it away from you. So a push is going to push away from you. So when the bat hits the ball, it's pushing the ball and it's changing that object's direction. Now a pull, if you pull something, you're also applying a force, but you're pulling it towards you. So you're changing the direction of that object, but it's going towards you. So what you can do is you can draw a picture of a pull and of a push. Remember, a push is making something go away from you, and a pull is causing something to come towards you. All right, superstars, have a wonderful day. Until next time, bye.